Hi and welcome to Santino's Mangia. Arrusta e bene mangia! And today we're going to make beautiful beef tenderloin. You're going to need some butter, garlic, salt, pepper, rosemary, and that's it. And then if you want your potatoes and some nice sweet peppers, you can add to the side. First, we're gonna fry up our garlic nice and slowly. Just simmer it up in some nice hot oil. And then we'll take our beautiful loins already that have the butter on them. I've had them buttered for about a good couple of hours with the salt. I've salted them, put pepper on them and the butter. Let them fry and simmer. You only want to brown them now. Throw the rosemary on. So like I said, we don't want to get them too dark. You want the oven to do that part. So you just want to brown. And then we're going to put them in the oven. And we're going to keep them in the oven for about 30 minutes, between 20 and 30 minutes, depending on how rare you want them. We're going to get our potatoes ready. They've been sitting in water, and I'm going to fry those up. Again, in olive oil, butter, a little bit of rosemary, garlic, salt, and pepper. That's it. And that's it. And you take it out, and you've got yourself some beautiful beef tenderloins. You can serve them with nice sweet peppers and potatoes, and away you go. I hope you enjoyed it today. Please follow us on our Facebook page at Santino Mangia, and please don't forget to hit the like button if you've liked the video, and also leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.